Hello, everyone. We've gathered the funniest and most unexpected moments just for you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the laughter. Looks like this little mistake just turned into another expensive moment. That was quite a tumble, but the good news is they were all okay. Everything was going fine until the strap decided not to cooperate. Okay. He lost his footing on the stairs and went down, but the good news is he was fine. Definitely don't attempt this yourself, but luckily he came out fine.
Nope.
Thank you.
She started the joke and the chicken was ready to answer back.
I didn't pop.
It looks like the bowl gave up at the worst possible moment. She was caught completely off guard when the water suddenly spilled on her. Okay, but seriously, what kind of snack is that supposed to be? She lost control of the board and took a fall, though luckily she was okay. Always follow traffic safety rules, especially when riding a bike, and thankfully he was okay. That looked pretty rough, but thankfully he came out completely fine. That happened fast, so always stay alert around bikes, and luckily he was fine. Her balance disappeared for a second, and the sand caught the rest. Luckily, both riders were wearing helmets, and everything turned out okay in the end. Nothing serious here, just a wild water game they came up with themselves. Take it slow on the stairs, my friend, and thankfully he wasn't hurt. Always keep a safe distance when watching demonstrations like this.
Oh my God.
She got completely immersed in the virtual reality game, but thankfully she was fine. Take it easy on the treadmill and keep safety first throughout the workout. That could have ended badly, but the good news is he was okay. That scooter may have just added a repair cost to the day. That looked like a rough moment, but thankfully, she was okay afterward. That rope swing definitely didn't end the way she wanted it to. Don't worry, that plastic wall was lightweight, so there was no real impact. That skateboarding attempt ended with an unexpected tumble, though luckily she was okay. It was just a little tip over, and thankfully everything was fine. That hoverboard ride ended with an unexpected fall, but luckily she was okay. Can anyone actually watch this moment without laughing? Things got a little chaotic there, but the good news is she was fine. That hug had way more momentum than anyone was ready for. The vehicle started to lose balance, but luckily it recovered just in time.
Hey, sadismo!
One look at his reaction, and it's pretty clear he's doing just fine.
Go!
This is a good reminder to always watch where you're going. This machine looks interesting, but I honestly have no idea what it's for. You can tell from her face that she handled that moment just fine. She missed her hold for a second and took an unplanned splash.
Não, quem é de fora paga 10, pô, só o morador que paga.
He noticed the danger at the last second and managed to step away in time. He probably thought he could fit through, but that opening said otherwise. Looks like that jump went completely off script at the last second. She had a rough moment there, though luckily everything turned out okay. She lost her balance and ended up falling straight into the bushes. Things went wrong for a second, though luckily he came out okay. Hitting the median leaves the truck stranded before taking a secondary impact. But miraculously, all drivers involved stayed safe.